No my yo boss yo pao, that's your winner. Mr. Ogogo, Rapo, Ramenodio, Ajebor, but as a no and the crew, that's you. Iye-eki, no my yo boss yo pao, that's your Mr. Ogogo, Rapo, Ajebor, but as a no and the crew, Iye-eki, you are not the atmosphere. I'm not going to see you in a lava. I'm going to go for no fail. Hey, Mama, where my bonnet goes over you are sad for your power. Ojo wa no kwa na keri o ijo omonoga lojo ojo wa no kwa ro ke lu regbe e ma na wa ma pon na wa ko na yo yan agboni bobo mo e ba gbe sata we lo re ba ga saje o ono na no ma giri apon e o we la mo bi wa no wa gbe ke se se o no ma yo pa soro wa we nu ga ko be o we baba na yo we baba ma ta ko be yo wa o ibaba ibi amesi agboni baba ma o wa kere wa o padoga ja so pa na to se no ma yo boss yo wa o ati o ina Mr. Ogogo Rapo era me no ki o ya Ajebor boga se no ande ko ati o Iye-eki no o baba o me ko wo se ne we wa ni be na e wo ma sinu we bi o dati me o abata ni eke ni ka pon wa ta le lu we kan ni dati me we nu ge lele alelu na pon o dati me o iba ga lelu na mo asaje bu se le na o baba we se yan ne we nu ge tan eyan o dati me o mo wa ra ki abadan ale ra ki o no je o to ba ni me fi pete na e to me wa ya tan eyan o Mr. Ogogo Rapo alias Ajebor Albert, CEO Ajebor Foundation. Ewa nu wa le lu na mo. Omo mo ga yin agbon dati. E je de na ya nu joja.
Let's go there, let's go.
Legacy ba ti o ye ba wa eyan o. E se na wo le gbe na ya se ko.
Share to your friend, share to your mother.
Iwe wa ni ku ta le na we na mo.
Share to your
Iwe
parents.
se na na una. Iwe we se to ma o.
Share to your papa, baby mama.
Ina ta mi an we. Iwe we ni ya se je ka le yo. Eso ma se na u le na mo. Ijo. Iwe se eri akawe me age na me ijo bo na gbona jo. So ko na baba eso ke le ma se be na gbon ni ma wa je. Iyo bodu je ni ja mo ye ga we tele lu na. Padoga ja so pa na do se no ma yo boss yo gba o. Lati o mi na Mr. Ogogo Rapo era me no gi o ya Ajebor. Boga se no ande ko. Lati o Iye-eki no o. Etote. Iwa kele me da so wa ni oda so. Ogera me na ke se lo. We no da so wa. Eri ore ata so. Wa da se le ma ni ko. Da so. Baba me. Era me no ki o.
You go to talk. I
Alias Ajebor. That's your odo le go le o. Odo le go no. Ono na o si oba o. Era me o. Gato tu ni baba to le to show. Mama dele, iwe ta le sunu ye ni we o. The CEO Ajebor Foundation. Iye si we get so popo ye o. Era me no ke. Me so we ne no lo. No lo wa lo na pon na show. E tu we me go pe. Iwe na ri go ko yo pe. O ke si we na o ju we na ya o. Baba o. Who I am, who's a man who say you carry your bono? Who are the bono? The carry your bono. Where are we your bono? Who's a man look as a man look Pamela? When you will see when have your bobo, Papa. I guess you know. I am a person with one. You were so good at the apple, Papa. I say, why you? Oh, we hear you go. Wadogo mapano saki yako, no ke Get to carry your mother, then you just go. That's your go. The rabble, the rabble. Alias Ajebor, Agameya won't feel. The CEO, Ajebor Foundation. Woman no saki akon no to bi akon fun o. Ora mo. Ora mo no ke. Láti mege yo pa me sawo. Agaye de betele. Ajebor mege de ra mo. Ila tewe no mu e de baba nu egele ya me ya wo mo. Ora mo yo do ki o lo pista o. We na bu to. Yes, Mr. Ogogo Irabo alias Ajebor Agameya no CEO Ajebor Foundation. Adi ekesiwe efiko wuye Jonathan was a jata erudawe otanieke ememe no womae yes usuma na mase eya tanje karieki yawe amela tomido
won ogbe we someone oh na let's go
no ijo it's a big one record entertainment.
That is a lot.
And is a okay, but you may have been some more. But I just a corner to the same. No, my you was you go at you, Mr. Ogogo, Aproko, I'm a no you, Ajebor. But as I know I'm the pro, that's you. I have better,
to join this program.
But I just a corner to the same. No, my you was you go at you, Mr. Ogogo, Aproko, I'm a no you, Ajebor. But as I know I'm the pro, that's you. I have better, no, you better.
Thank you very much, Omonogi, Lucky Star, a great superstar. Yeah, for those of you on this Facebook, remain on the Facebook and keep sharing. So let me on TikTok. So that we're going to be broadcasting into Shining, Facebook, and TikTok. Not be TikTok that they call her. TikTok. We don't do live for TikTok. We don't do live for Facebook. For those of you on live on Facebook, please help to share and like, tap love, tap like because of Facebook. Because if you're not doing like that, this page get restriction. If you're not doing like that, now Facebook will just take me out of the live screen video automatically. Okay. Yeah, for TikTok, I don't say una don't come. God go bless una. Una good afternoon from any part of the country where una dey. Una say yesterday I do video wey concern our brother, our great brother where they do great work for all Nigerians. No other person but continue Alex HQ wey dey for France. I talk am yesterday for this live stream yesterday for Facebook and for TikTok say the work where that guy do or where they do me a parameya wefe even if I go feed do am I no go like do am. I no go like do am. So I was continue appreciating Alex for that work we do. Wait till they talk say see what they happen. But in the other side of it, a daughter where they know where or however. If people will get issue where they talk about, it call the time that they block all your Facebook where they carry millions of followers, that they block all your accounts, that they threaten you direct, say we not like what you they talk. Leave us, not they talk who win or who not win. If not me, I go run, I go commot my hand, my mouth for the amateur. I still they repeat them as I talk am for yesterday, and that's why I want to talk am here today again. All these system men we me know, if you not attack them, they not they attack you. Except the ones where be say I don't know I want to classify those ones. The real system men we me know. If you don't talk to them, they don't intimidate you because they are system men. Even if they in crowd, now only you want be person will not be system man there. They not they still they intimidate you. Now so me take no demo. Except you go fall for their trap. Now they'll come tell you say why you come our territory. Because as me they abroad here, so they never intimidate me one day. Then they see me, they greet me. And they see them, they see they greet. I go, no, say this guy, he did game. Then they greet me and they greet them. Then they holler me, then they honor me. You know? But if you constantly see some where be say, then they use and they intimidate you. Where be say, you not go there and feed. You not go there and territory. They carry the user and they intimidate you, say because they be system made for abroad. Yeah. I want to use this opportunity to give some of them, those ones, advice for free. For free. They don't need to give me money, put for free. That 22, 23, 24, 25 years, 27 years imprisonment is not a joke. Because here in Europe, they don't entertain courtesan, and they don't entertain, and they don't embrace courtesy. They don't want to hear what is that. So if you are one, please be careful. Because I wonder, as Nigeria be now, we don't know where Nigeria they go. All of us, they channel our power to Nigerians. Make our government, make them better, make that place better for us. If, for example, some of us can decide to relocate tomorrow. But for now, we never know how that place be. This place is our comfortable zone. And if you know that this place is your comfortable zone, respect yourself here. So that the police people will not throw you inside jail. The authority will not throw you to go and send you 60, 70 years inside jail. You have to respect yourself. My TikTok name is Ajebor123 blog. Ajebor123 blog. Ajebor123 blog. I'm alive on TikTok as well. Omorege Beast, I greet you. So, respect yourself. You cannot come and continue to be practicing courtesan here in abroad. If you can be doing it, do it for yourself. Do it for your colleague, your organization people. But don't use it to embarrass fellow Nigerians like you or intimidate Nigerians like you will not do you anything. When you try to do it, except that one don't know it right from the left. If that one know it right from the left, I am telling you, you are about to face 20, 21, 22, 23 to 27 years imprisonment. Yes, that is a fact. So my video is an advice to them as well, to some of them who have that plan. Because I know, say the real system men, they know they do those tongue. They are the real system men. They be big boy now. They use courtesy to embarrass you. They be big boy now. They go sit down. You will spend 2 hours with them. You know, here for their man whether they be system men. Except you find the trouble. I felt talking. I said they know they carry the embarrassed person. The real men. The real men. That is why I will continue to respect all the old colors. Because they never embarrass me one day. If I see them, me and they know, say, even for abroad, now they told this guy na level man. Now they fair they hear me, I pa Ajebor, I pa me yawefi. So I love them so much. They are my brothers, they are my friends, so I believe everybody is free to live his or her life. Okay. Now the purpose of this video this afternoon, in regard or in respect of the video I did yesterday concerning our brother Atlas HQ. Where they France, where we say that guy really try for Nigerians. They are standing work program we do, we consign big men, all these big boys, all these system men. You know, the guy really try to stand in making peace in all these matter where they dig ground for Nigeria, those states. But at the end of the day, the people will get the matter. They said they don't need the peace, may not they talk about the matter. So, if I were less, I let them go. I leave them alone. Mostly the work that the president signed you to want to be doing it, or neither the governor. You have your children to cater for. You have your dearest wife to love. As me being, I don't want to lose my life for any Nigeria person. I can never try to. For what? If I even lost my life, I would have lost her for my children, my wife. Not be other Nigeria people. Why? So if I talk something, and they say, waiting at the talk, they give me threats, I go come out there. I will leave that area fast. Because they know they pay me money every month. If I receive 10 million every month, now it's a different thing. 20 million is a different thing. I say, okay, the day where I go get issue, that money go reach my family, take continue their life. My children, my wife. But not be waiting, I know they receive money for put. President, not they tell me thank you every month. Governor, not they tell me thank you every month. So then, why will I be risking and be accepting those threats? So that is the advice I give to my brother, my friend yesterday, Alex HQ, about this matter. Not be say the man not try, the guy to try for the every time, all the time we do that program. But now today, the woman, Alex HQ woman, called me today because na woman why I know her. She supposed to be my party with her less. Now because they not give them chance for work. She called me today, come tell me say, Epa, he see my video yesterday. She not get chance. She for even call in. May she tell me how this whole thing take happen. How this whole Sereno take happen. How they take block her less, they fight her less for street. She even send me some videos here where concern those problems, those matter. Where they can lead to the car where they born. Car where they born, her car. Unless get your car. Now they hear me so. Then after she did talk to me, I still tell her my word. I don't forget that one. And I talk here, I still tell her. Try to tell your man he should stop this program is doing. If this program is causing him harm, causing him threat, he should stop it and move on to another program. Now she herself not even they tell me, apart from the threat, they don't destroy unless a lot of page will carry millions of views. They go they bring those page down. All these system men. It means they don't want you to be talking about them. Then you let them go. You find your way. Now the woman come tell me say, Epa, even unless don't even talk. Say, you know they talk about the matter again before this incident caused it happen. Now I say, are you sure? He said yes. He even sent me the video where unless take deny say, no they talk about all these people again. Since they don't need peace where you want put between them, then maybe they fight, they go. I wish that video, I go play that record here. So that una way be system men for abroad or for Nigeria, make una know say, unless don't come out hand for una matter. They make una live unless make it day peace, make the guy get peace. He's a media person, he might make a mistake talking about you guys. But at the end of the day, in no rich way, be say the guy go lost his life put. Make una still forgive him. Make una let him carry a piece go. The guy don't deny now say, he not go talk about una matter again. Una don't destroy many of his page. And all this threat and all this fight, unnecessary fight will come to happen. You understand? Then before I play the record, apart from say police, they are still investigating how this incident of car bonnet happened for inside this matter. I also want to use it as a second avenue of a preaching to you. Being you are a system man or you not be system man, you rugged or you not rugged. Please don't commit laws into your hands. Never you commit laws into your hands. This is not Nigeria. This is a Western world. This is not Nigeria. This is a Western world. Because go and think how suffer you were suffering in Nigeria before you have this opportunity to come to Western world. Don't joke with this place. Because if they throw you back now, they carry you put for jail. You serve jail, you come out. They can later throw you back to Edo State. That side and I hot pass. If Okpebolo catch you now, he's even 27 years in Oko. If Okpebolo catch you, say you be Curtis for Benin, then catch you. It's even 27 years in Benin City. So I want to tell you for free that you are even more safer here now in abroad than that Benin City. People see the buy people there, more than not take like that. But pray may luck not run against you. You will buy people for Benin. If luck run against you, they catch you. You will know that Okpebolo is working. You will know that our governor, Senator Modo Okpebolo, is working. It's not playing. He will put you in Oko. You will rot in Oko next century. If they still see another life again, now you can't exist. It's an advice for free. Then, for some of our way they here, it's also advice for you people. If you see, say, if honorary person still the threaten person wey dey courteous, you will be courteous. Honorary person fit dey threaten you. If you see as honorary person dey threaten you, before you for you to go dey look for this one where you want to fight, go and report him. Report him to the authority and let the authority come into the problem. For you now say you dey go dey carry shook, you want go buy person, I believe it's not comfort. And for you individual wey not be courteous, wey be say courteous they see they threaten, is the same thing. Go to the police. If anybody dey worry person for abroad, na police and the report them. The police, they will come into the problem. They will give that person problem. You don't know, say they ban person. They ban person, they'll say, this area where this man is, so you, this man, will not want to make you enter that area again. They go ban you. And if they by mistake see you, if your jail too much, is from 7, 8, 9 years. Because then, meaning you are still attempting to buy that person. After they don't ban you, don't go to that area. So all this is advice for free to every one of us. We should know that this is Western world. We should know what we are doing that is right and what we are doing that is not right. Never you commit crime into your hand. Never you commit laws into your hand. The people who burn this car, we never know. Allegedly, maybe people will get problem with allegedly. But the police, they are doing their work. This place not be Nigeria where be say you get problem, blah blah, go get problem, you go to bomb black car. For what reason? For here? For abroad? So the police, they are doing their work. And mark anybody who did it. Both na white, na France people, na black, na Nigeria. You are going to, the police are going to fetch you out. You are going to be brought to book. Yes. Your friends, they will open their eye, they will be looking at you. When you go to serve 10, 11 years for Kirikiri for abroad here, 11, 12, 13, 14 years. If you be man, before you come out, you know the one way go pay you pass. You know the one way go pay you pass. Your friend, now your friend want to nyash your wife. That one I want to pay you pass. You go there inside Kirikiri, you hear say your friend nyash your wife. Then you go regret, say why you go to fight, why you go bump person car. Because I believe say nobody go celebrate, say you go to hear say friend nyash your wife. That one pass person. It pass person when they use this one take back. You're there alive, you're there. Say maybe now that your friend will still call you for inside JC. Oh boy, you don't know what did happen. I see your wife for inside a do with cow. You they say, okay, maybe go help and buy something for supermarket. He go say maybe. In already 2 weeks again, he go say, you see your wife with a do with for Madonna. For Madonna, you say no, maybe just go buy Madonna for my children. You know, this 1 month again, you go say, see your wife with a do with for hotel, then they come down. That one now, you get urgent application. Nobody go come tell you now, say, nobody now, no, you not need somebody tell you now, say, you don't deny your wife. Then you come know, say, the time where you take fight, where carry you go jail, you will be stupid. What are you fighting for in abroad? This one is abroad. It's a place that you need to be nice to yourself, responsible to yourself. Now here they carry this something say you want to fight your fellow man like you. What do you need it for? Egena mami ya wanyo wiku. Egena mami ya yohwe wi club. Ado ya agbina. Eboni makede ema. Eboni ga ama. We are not supposed to be here. Then it will not rescue when guys say, "Mana, why you to bow because you want to say you be rugged man." Or the other one want to say, "I not be rugged man. I just be neutral person, but I rugged." Inside jail, you go there. You not go see your children again for face. If you because of money go jail now, good result. Even if your parents here for us, they know Korea wa o mi meti ya no bo wa no wa. Oh, we met you no bill tell that one a good result. Not be say out of ignorance and go to fight. So it's an advice to every one of us. Please, we should not commit laws into our hand. So that being said, let me play the video that Alex HQ where he don't take deny say he not they talk about Kofra matter again for a program. So system people, we beg una, we lawyer me, I lawyer to una. I beg, make una leave the poor guy, make it get peace. Because the guy don't answer, the guy was doing a good job, but you guys also have right to tell him, this is your job, we not like him, not the open our secret, yeah, you una get right. But the guy was also a media person, he was also doing the work of a media person, but at the end of the day, the guy now make a decision to stop. I want to play the record, but make una still leave him, make the guy get peace. From now on, before police can see who destroy their car, because the police are investigating and looking for the perpetrators who committed that dirty crime, because that is what we call crime. That one is a crime here in abroad. It's a crime. Destroying cars is a crime here. So those people, they are not good. That is, oh God, they will not go unpunished. Any person that destroyed that car. So let us listen to Albert's video when he denounced to stop talking. I get the video where they fight for France here. They with me here, but I not go play them. I don't want to play them.
Finally now, you guys have succeeded to shadow ban my account. When I go into analysis of my account, especially when you follow me, I discover about 90% of my followers, they get fake accounts. That one aside. And inside that fake account, the duty you guys doing on TikTok, especially on me, is to continue reporting my account. You see this video between Vikings and Ayewa talked about. Double two. I don't know the particular person who watched that video. Report my account. To report it. Now that's about done. So my account officially shadow ban. And as I told you before, this is a fourth TikTok account that they create. All the members say they address some issues with the Apple. I know how many endorsements, how many issues. I'm not going to say they stay away from it because of saying, but I try to make peace regarding what the Apple between our youth back home to educate you guys to create awareness. But going forward, I say, but you guys don't really want. Nobody can really save you guys, man. Nobody. Because one thing is, if you talk about this on the opposition, you talk about this their own, they will reverse. And the least they can do is to broad down my account. Now I'm not going to play gamble with my account anymore. Facebook don't collect, many YouTube don't collect, TikTok again doesn't collect. So this will be my last video talking about you guys. I'm gonna mark this date when I post this video. So this will be my last video talking about you guys. Today happens to be the 27th day of August in the year of 2025. So for those that give you
una hear so, unless I've denounced here now, una listen, that I have make a decision to stop talking about system men. It's a bad say for those of you where they give me update. You don't need them again. Somebody where don't come denounce like this, I believe the guy have right of peaceful life. Make una live now, may get peaceful life for France. May they waka free for France.
Only one. Nobody can really save you guys, man. Nobody. Because one thing is, if you talk about this on the opposition, you talk about this their own, they will reverse. And the least they can do is to broad down my account. Now I'm not going to play gamble with my account anymore. Facebook don't collect, many YouTube don't collect, TikTok again doesn't collect. So this will be my last video talking about you guys. I'm gonna mark this date when I post this video. So this will be my last video talking about you guys. Today happens to be the 27th day of August in the year of 2025. So for those that give you updates, you will share it so they happen to me. Please going for stop sharing from me. I'm no longer interested. I remember when about comments and I say, hey, I'm a bit dry. I'm not without will not be, I'm not prepared content. So right now, so I want proof to and I say, but no, they dry. Blog is my thing. I think the blog, you talk about anything, say blog is not easy to do so. The blog is very easy than this one.
My brother all the way from Madrid.
Because this thing what they do, you cannot see on national TV. You cannot see it on a very dark man page. Okay. You cannot see it on the CAP. You cannot see it you cannot see it on other blogs. You cannot see them. But now, if I start my blogging now, which I'm starting already now, I'm going to see all those things. From there, they carry their video, they analyze it all, they put my opinion. So two, very simple like ABC. Any trading matter, you are going to say, do us to the Apple now. I'll check my page. I must not get underground information. I don't need it. I talk on things the train. I remember for about 2 years ago, and Sibaka wrote and said, "Guy, leave this thing. And the banker said, but this is to say, they are going to destroy your account. I'm not listening to that guy. I listened to Sabakara 2 years ago. So I live on that. By now, I'm going to get these people I get for all my platform. Now, if I look on life, I'm not going to get engagement because my account already shadow banned. So I don't know I'm going to fix this, but I'll try my best with my live stream. When I try to do my live stream, they say, whatever they do, if I can overthrow, if I can beat this shadow ban, so that when my account come back to normal. Imagine I post video when we get engagement again because the account already been shadow banned. So I appreciate you guys to be like saying, I find time instead of supporting me, unless I have a bill, I cannot use money. Instead of reporting my account, maybe find me something unless I have to take this off. No, it's all good. Meanwhile, for those on my Telegram, it's going to be sad to you guys too because you guys on Telegram say, hey, Alex, now you cause the problem, you cause me. So I'm officially going to bring down my Telegrams. I'm going to delete it. If you're saying I did the war for the start, so I'm officially going to bring down my Telegram space. When I delete that Telegram, any other Telegram you see, no, it's fake because a lot of Telegram already create on my name. So when they ask me, let's send me a Telegram, listen, I'm no longer on Telegram. From today, I'm going to delete my Telegram space. But enough of all this nonsense. Nobody can really help you guys. The government has failed. We always try to help ourselves, and they fight us.
Okay.
The government has failed because if government not fail, ask yourself what to be the best every day. They do this video, they talk up and down. They say blue, black, yellow, purple, we in Nigeria. I don't know here in Europe. Why don't they hear scores? Because the system here, when you come meet, no will let you jump. If you jump, you will believe your eye. The system you come meet for Europe here, it no will let you do all those nonsense. That's why people will tell me, say, hey, I'm going to die abroad. Make it do the video. I'm going to die abroad. And you see, that has already proven that I'm in a system that is working. We in Nigeria today, you show your face and talk about this thing. In Nigeria, why must I come to Nigeria? Are you guys getting the message now? Why must I come to Nigeria? Why must you say if you're Nigeria you day? Now if you also, the system has failed, the government are blamed. I'm not blaming them again. I'm not blaming them. So I'll let you guys be. Going forward, if you like what I do, you can go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Alessio the Judge. I'll be doing my blogging there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share to your friends and your loved ones. Talking about random things. And how many endorsements? Even shout out to this say I don't mix. Since I go deeply into this conference. It's not before when you start I do normal blogging. And they get me, oh, and they say, let me do shout out 20 card, 10 card, 50 card, let me do shout out, do this for me. But I go deeply into conference, even though they contact me for shout out again, you know why? They say that they fear to associate with me because if I do shout out for them, people say, how you doing, Alexo? How you doing, Alexo? How you doing, Alexo? People really fear to associate with me. But I'm not saying because there's different pattern to the game. Now, what I choose to do, me, I don't fear anybody. No human being on this earth will decide the fear. You know what? Because once you person the fear, we know the fear because I bet. No fear them because you know why? If I patch you this way, they don't buy less. You know the year until they happen again. Are you getting? So what I thought the fear is I don't with people, don't buy person. Anything they talk about the person back now, you know the make sense. You know the person will be here again. So what could they fear that kind of thing? That is the least, the worst you can do to any man. That I am the man. But I believe as I die like so, if you touch my body of my shirt, and I do this, you touch bottom of my shirt, and I see you one-on-one, okay, leave her. I don't really touch your bottom, but I will design your agbada with you. That is life for you. If you touch bottom of my shirt, I will design your agbada. Because they are alive. So this you can do, you don't you must try. Do that, and if you don't do that one, now you don't put yourself in trouble. So guys, thank you always support me for this journey for so long. As it stands, so I'm putting a full stop to it. That's a bit long. Those on Telegram, I'll be the pity for some because those who allow me to get information. Kudos to Nigerian View and NC. Nigeria Kofra, that guy is doing an amazing job. You guys can go to him. It's something like how Battle say they don't analyze Alex and Nigeria Kofra, they credible. Unless they finally will start. And for those people who feel disappointed in me, but I know we talk about this matter again. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do because this thing, so these people are no longer. I cannot be. They say sanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. I don't do this way back since 2019. Now, so accounts they go that problem for account, problem. I cannot continue creating account. When people they grow, they have not in one place. Because even this thing, so see easy and the very dark now. Everything you do, you need money. People do what they do. Anything I do today, so can do second thing, second background, so that means I need the support, irrigation, and money I still do too. So if I keep creating account, they bring that down, creating account, bring that down, how will I go? How will I go? Nothing go back.
Exactly.
Share this video, and my head also matters to me because you know the stress to create a new account. You know because you're into media. I have an account of over 40,000 subscribers on YouTube. Then go 30 something, 20 something, 15, 16. I'll be creating new ones every year. Now I'm madness now. Share this video. I'm done with you guys to move from here.
So my people, all of una don hear now say Alex HQ don use him man talk to us. Say he don denounce, he don stop to dey talk about Cofra matter for France. As a social media colleague, I come join am spread the news to the world. Mostly to the system men wey e dey France. Make una leave am from now, make the man get peace. Make the man get freedom of working, freedom of liberty. As he don remove am, he don remove him mouth for una matter. Na him talk am so, no be me talk am. I hear now say is my duty to also come and play it here, make the spread they go. So that for those of una wey be continue to dey get the way they angry about wetin in the talk wey concern una, make una know now say the guy don stop and they don comot mouth from una matter. So let me see if Aleso woman we have something to come and tell us in this program or not. But the woman let me know say about the car wey dem destroy, wey dem burn. The issue has been reported to the authority. And very soon, the police are going to fetch the perpetrator out. We don't know the people. Apart from Alex has problem with some of individuals. Allegedly, we don't know if those are the people who commit this crime. We don't know. I don't know. Till the police we finish their investigation about Alex's wife car wey dem destroy and burn. And for the people chasing Alex in France, blocking him on the school way, blocking him on the supermarket way, blocking him, attacking him from the working place, I want to tell you guys for free, I believe it's not comfort. I believe it's not comfort. Don't commit crime into your hand. Don't commit laws into your hand. It might take you to go and hand the jail, and it might also remove your documents from your hand. And if you be the one way not get documents before, it might lead to it. You will not have documents again. I'm telling you this story, this advice for free. For free. I didn't say you should pay for me. Edo we no kaweze or even no dimiye. I am not a newcomer in Europe. I am spending by His grace. I am spending 25 to 26 years now. Calculate 1999. Calculate 1999 up to this time. I never go jail. And I don't go jail by His grace. Now only detention I don't go detention. Because the truth has to be told. But detention is not jail. The detention say, stay here, we want ask wetin happen. That's all. They ask, they leave me. It's different between somebody with a sentence 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, 17 years. I believe your mother, your father, your family will not like you, or they will not love to hear, say because of act of ignorance, they are picking. They want to go spend 15, 16 years for jail. So please stay out of crime. Stay out of crime. If unless they worry you for France, report unless to the authority. Unless if people they call they stay they wait you for road they attack you, no matter who they be. This is abroad. My brother, report them to the authority without delay, and let those set of people brought to book. Such people, do you know what the police call them? Criminals. If they don't arrest them, then they go jail. Then they put out for their certificate, they are criminals. People where they say white, they are criminals. People where they do 419, they are criminals. So you don't happy that the police will put criminal in your record here. It can disturb you not to become a nationality of individual country you live in. It can disturb you not to have your resident permit. It can disturb you if you get resident permit, they go buy the resident permit, they're not going to give you again. It destroy a lot of things. But inside all this problem, it get the one where people go here, say you because of a go J. People know it's too quarrel. I don't say it's a good thing. Akobenya wa mana we mi no konkon, amana we mi no wegbe, igo no konkon were. Ugarudigo una ari egwala pabe webo. Ana muwe ya fik pigbe nuwe. Umamo boje gandan. Oge mato salobo ya gandan yo. So far ebe ya dwe kini omo kpono kekenu ya dwe gbe kiveri ara ya yu kpono gbe 55 60 years. Yeja ya dwe gbe kini odwa egan rozuo. But oge wu wero morwe 30 years 35 years. Ukwigo kia udorundigo a lucky doro on against we. Ado fik big benwe. Oni uma fuck up. Uche a onu be hotel. Uche a onu be apartment ni uche a onu be filling station. Veno ni yo mamo bo fuck up. E raviju awe owo wanya we o so yote mwe yana mwe. O we for one na yana mwe. Oni ma. Oge we no do agbin na be webo. Do agbin na. Hagi wa we gbin na. Wa hagi gbin na ba. Vogi ka we ka gbin na be webo. Who is the person calling? Where the person for the call? Hello. Good morning, brother. Good afternoon, brother. Okay. Wait, my put her for speaker, brother. My put her for speaker, be obvious, okay? Abi, you know what? You want make people hear what you they talk? Okay, all right. He's on speaker, brother. Good morning.
Okay. Which people don't know for our brother, they teach in Africa, they the guy want to plan work when I start really so. Before I start the work, they think I go play police report for this thing.
God bless you.
I get crime. Or 2 5 days. Or person don't carry me go station, don't go report me or one case. The police reports don't go clear. I don't go start work. And many of our people, which they believe, where they were, where do? They don't know. They don't know what to carry the come abroad. As you go there abroad, you will say now court is that you want on the say no, alert they talk about you now one big time. They don't know the problem where they want to create for their big problem. And German government know about Halim.
Esunu Yomaro a new organization of my brother. What the advice in Nima?
Okay. India do you all believe people the one with they anything.
Yes.
We make them know what you carry the common for us.
Exactly.
Now don't like no people like your father.
God bless you.
You know that I just need to I don't spend 20 years for Europe now. I never see one day so on both sides. Or they'll call the bus bottle for street. Or they do party, people come to me, or those people. But our people, anywhere where they enter, they must disgrace themselves.
Yes.
They must put themselves. I don't know whether they swear for them.
Yes.
You understand? They really they pain me inside. They see all these things. The things they pain me. After I get through, if person, me a person get through this, I will give her a chance. If the person make sure he can't jam me for street, take me can't be shot or he slap me, straight to hospital, they collect doctor, they go police station. That doctor reports like me, in Ebola. You know that time. So I don't know what is the worry our people just gather and think they okay, this thing. So why there are people who in Africa where they suffer, why they don't gather money, maybe they carry them come abroad. Or any organization where any of them they make them contribute money, make them say they help their people, open company. You know that time they employ them, give them, you don't give them good life. Now so you don't destroy. I don't know why mostly being for this abroad, they don't make them visit themselves, make them look at them for the come. You know that time. If they really they pay me, sha. They pay me. And for Alesso, I don't see Risha, I don't get the number. Alesso, all those people, when they go day life, all those people when they follow they do life. When they follow they do life, all of them are enemies, they don't know. And they listen to what they talk, when they give her advice, do this one, all of them are enemies. Now the people when they fight against them, now all of them be. Then they look for what they match. You know that time, paper. Then they look for what they are less match. They are less not report to anybody again. They not report to anybody. All those people when they come in life, they do like this. All of them are the same. All of them are the same people when they fight and they want to see they match in next move. If I may I tell you one story where happen for Spain. He get one guy, he get problem with some inducement. As he get problem with them, they come fight, they stab the boy for bar. As they stab the boy young waka goes down for bar. They say what they do here, say they do me to make come on. Just bar, not be that. The boy say no, they come up. They fight the boy, they stab and the boy go station. As he reach station, they report the case later. They carry the case at court. They go from back, meet the guy, they beg the guy. They make the guy forget about the case, make you don't forget the case. They reach court, they say they don't settle down. The boy reach court, you know what they do? The boy reach court, as they reach court, all of them, they call the boy come out, make court. The boy say no need case. Say all of them are from the same country, say he don't forget the case. Now those people right, say they need case to this guy and like it. So they use the court as they tie the guy. You should bring what they use for. They use the court as they tie the guy. Because they start to do an injury there, everything there. People say no need case. Later they call all those people come and they say they need case. Say the boy they lie. You said they think this is what I said the guy. All those people they follow, they talk. All of them are the same. They look for every day man. The next move where one move, like they want to look for it. You get number that time, maybe he go see this come. At that time. Domo.
Well say my brother. Thank you for your advice. Respect, brother. So, you see that advice whether our Edo brother can't give us. I love it so much, okay? Now, advice. Now we need to advise each other, all of us. We're not big past each other. Now, small, now we take past each other. Differences, now small. You know? So, these of our brothers, all these our big brothers, you know, I felt talking for this video, say, the big one way they side, the big man way they side, they know they use this matter till they oppress person way not they. Even if they see say somebody oppress you, now they even they use and they defend person, they fight for person way not fight for himself. Okay, so and that is how it's supposed to be. You understand? Make una try. Make una know say now abroad be this. This is not Africa. Why are they talking? If you see the suffer, how you take come, 80% of the past land come. You see how you take succeed, enter this abroad. You suppose mind your business and let your parents be proud of you. Wanibu wawere ne now, wawere yohune wabielene. Let your wife and your children be proud of you. If you can't say because say you be rugged person, at the end of the day your pikin grow. You wait born pikin, you not can get documents. You come out for jail, document not in your hand again. Pikin where you born get documents. I believe it's a shame to any father like that, what you call concern, how you explain to your children, you say you be rugged man, you fight for streets, you use both to fight fellow person like you. Now you go jail, as you come, you not gonna get document again. Your pikin will never celebrate with you. Your pikin will never be happy with you. And these are some of the things we go feel remove document from your hand. And if you never get document, these are some of the things we be say you not go feel get document again. As that my do brother talk and just now not be lie. Waiting that my do brother talk just now not be lie. For Germany, yes, 70% of work. Then they ask you criminal certificate. It talk and just now I remember say they asked my wife about four years ago for the work with my wife. They work. Me na driver, me they do here driver. Na driver they drive. So it gets to some standard work where we say before they take you, they go ask you. They go ask you, may go bring criminal certificate. And if it be say you don't fair use bottle, fight person here will call. You don't fair use waiting that they take shook person who call. How you want to get work? How you want to they work? And you know, say for abroad now, you know, if you don't work, you don't go get money. So it's an advice for free to you guys. You not fight January to December. You know me say you not be system man. You know me say you not get level. At all. You know me. Now that one go give you respect pass. Now that one I go give you respect pass. Because this place is not Nigeria. Somebody is sending me request. Let me quickly accept the person.
Mr. Ajebor.
Hey, Baba, no.
Good evening, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother.
I see the topic was that the topic maybe say they bust my brain with this one. Huh?
Well done, brother. Thank you.
They don't invite idiots now. They don't advise idiots.
Okay.
If idiots they advise idiots there.
Eh?
You they advise idiots there. I said they don't advise idiots.
Okay.
Because these people, this is why if they go 20 years now, I'll be advising them.
Okay.
They're not the year word though. Bros, they're not the year word. This topic, so it just be so, me I not talk, say you, they waste time. You know they waste. These people not the year word though. He said, he get one guy, now Mota meet the Mota Island.
Okay.
He get one Isha boy. I be Isha. He get one Isha boy, they call her Oku. Now so fight, every weekend they fight. He fight so they cause they go put her for prison. Now, just to carry go out.
Okay.
This guy can't follow water, come back. He can't follow water, come back. This guy still start that same fight.
Again.
He can't enter motor again. He can't start that same fight. They can't see catch him. They can't say, no, this one, we don't think carry you go Africa. Now you want me to go back to Italy. They don't hear what though.
But you obey now say that person now maybe he don't DJ for Italy, no.
No, but as I talk to you, swear, he don't reach almost like 5 years. I never hear from that guy.
You still pass say don't hear what? They hear what? Now you they look like they hear.
Maybe you don't go prison when somebody know.
They hear. Now you they look like that, my brother. I beg, not rest. Still they talk to them. I beg. As me still they talk. Everybody. You don't know because if we say may we leave this our brother, more not they talk to them. What thing that they do, it they affect people. We not they do them. Just like a preach why they preach now. See, people where they abroad, we foreigners, may they try, may they take care of flats, where would they rent. may we dey pay house rent, may we dey neat our house. In case 5-7 years you pack comot for that house, the white man or the agent, they can easily rent it for another black man wey be foreigners. But so as they now, my brother, wey be say Nigerian man go dey live put, you know, they pay house rent. E go dey give different complaint. And that thing wey they do, you know, they think and say, in they use and they spoil other good black Nigerians where they come, they look for flat tomorrow. As not dey Europe, as not dey Europe. Not be say as not dey o. As dey, my brother. But because of black, wetin we dey do, this agent, this direct landlord, they call they select people where they give house to.
Exactly.
You go give house to Nigeria person, if they fight, they go they destroy the property. You go give house to Nigeria person, woman go dey that house, you know, if they clean kitchen. They go spend five years for that house. House go be like, it go be like dustbin for outside. So all this kind of thing, my brother, they use and they affect other good people. So all this our big brother will be system men. We not go rest for their body. We go they advise them they go. They be our brother. We love them so much.
Yes. What are somebody where you just carry cigarette, you dey smoke for palo.
Okay.
Because you're the smoker for palo.
Imagine.
Landlord will come collect money, will come and say has a smell.
The smell anyhow. It's not good. The white people. The white people don't like it. The white people, they don't like it. You just ask yourself, say, you go get house for Benin now. You go get 2 flat or 4 flat, tenants go day. They know they pay you house rent. And the day when you from here travel reach your house, not be how you take give the night so your house be. Will you be happy? Any Nigerians watching me here, will you be happy? No. So why we not call the thinker, or why we not the thinker and say the same thing with these white people? If they rent us for us, 5 years reach, maybe one inside 5 years, the landlord will visit the house one day or the agent, and they come and say, the house don't destroy. There is no way they are going to rent that flat to another black person again for life. This is how where we not call the see house now. Where we say all black Nigeria, they say has a cause for abroad, has a dear I not see house. So I hope there are good ones who hold their money but no house to rent because of some of us attitude.
Bros, like when me they live now 2013 that renter, now see this so.
Because you are good, you the need and where you they pay.
Because if anything spoil, even anything spoil, I dey use my money go buy am.
God bless you.
I don't dey wait for the landlord to make come repair the thing. He go come say, you don't repair am. I don't repair am. I dey work now.
Yeah. So where you are living is your first priority. Where you are living with your children, your wife, your husband is your home. Is your first home. You have to secure this place more than your house in Nigeria first. Because if they drive you for streets, your children will not have peace.
It's like yesterday, I did one platform.
Hey, Baba.
I couldn't tell one person say, house where you get for Nigeria na liability. The person just pay, he just a quarrel. I said na liability. No, you don't need to quarrel. By right, it's a liability. That person don't need to quarrel. Brother, I bet somebody say want ask us question. I greet you, brother. I bet who you want ask question. Me, I be the guy with the line.
You.
Okay, go ahead.
Well done.
I greet you.
I want to ask you, say, every day you're the come out. You know they work.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, that one, you just can't ask me, Abi.
You not drop you.
No, I don't drop you. My brother, I don't go drop you. I don't go drop you.
Give a simple answer.
No, I don't drop you. You don't ask me question, Abi.
Give a yes or no. Yes or no.
Okay, my brother.
Bros, let her talk. Let the host talk. Let the person answer question. Talk. Not the talking.
My brother, you don't ask me this question now. Now, may you still answer the one where I want to ask you before I continue. You wait call this program now. You dey work or where you dey?
No, fair answer me. If you answer me, I go answer you. Let me fair ask you. You know answer.
Wait. No. My brother. You dey see my face now. You will ask me that question. If for good now before I put that question to you, if you fit call me for video call for my number. Because you no fit dey abroad. Maybe you will ask me this question. I never even spent 10 years. You dey call the ask person.
Bros, wait. We don't record. And a question I ask you, I never insult you.
You don't need to insult me, my brother. We will set him with Yebo man because of my cat what Yebo man except in my face you, my brother. So when can set it? Who can set it? The idea program me, man. Who do I not Greek power or G winner? What's here? To start with, what's here, my brother?
You said what?
He will wait. Oviedo were here. Abi Oviedo nije Bogwan, nije Bogwan.
My brother, my Asian person, I dey hear his voice.
Okay, my brother, you know be Benin.
Bros, hold on now. One question I ask. You answer me, not they just constantly ask me question. Me, you know the quarter. Now question you ask.
Me, I dey tell you now. Listen why I not want continue answer that question. If to say you call me for video call now, I go see who they ask me question. You know if you can ask me question, wait, say maybe now you fit dey 35 years to start it and not be your mate, or maybe you senior me. You just call they ask me question. Did you think it's possible for me to give you answer?
Okay, you want to tell me now so you don't have passion.
Passion. What's the meaning of passion?
That means you don't have passion. You don't 75 years now.
Another question. My brother, not be 75 years they tell the enter passion. Wait. Amen. I don't make a program in area. Amen. I make a program in area. My brother, you want to come out me for my program? Now 75, not be 75 years they tell the enter passion, my brother. Oh.
How many years did you enter passion for this man?
It's 67 years. 67.
Okay, thank you. You don't reach 67.
See, I bring your face, come and see how somebody take call now before I answer you. I want to see your face, brother.
Ajebor, even 35 they enter passion.
No, okay, answer now. Somebody don't they answer you now, brother. Okay, thank you now. You don't put Bros Ajebor put. I still like that one now, my brother. Now I don't they calm down now small because I hear that Bros where you put. No, you don't feel insult me. That insult, come on, not they use that language. You insult me. You don't feel insult me. Brother, my brother, you see this man, wait, you see this Mr. MOJP, wait, just the yes, so. I think as I see the video now, the face. It may you call on video like this, I go answer you a beg. Please.
Now come on video.
Exactly, my brother, yeah. I go answer you.
I'll tell you the truth. If you check my this thing, I not fit come on video because I not to get followers. I for come on video.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Since you don't they calm down now, I dey. Where?
I will send a camera that make it okay round. Man, send a camera that make it okay round.
Ajebor, I beg forgive am.
Because brother, I want to see your face. Make I answer you, my brother.
Every day they come and they chat. He and this guy, he and Atiti get problem. They come and they chat. Say get driving license. Say get this one. Say get this one. Now make me ask for guy. You know they work. You know they tire for all these things. And you see you are still 7 years old. Maybe you feel be 40 something years to 50. Man, you put on like that.
Okay.
But you know they work for Dutchland. Now only your wife they work. You know they work.
Lare ume ugbo your hua uzua. Ogwo gbiju a ume me a. Usu wa. Ugbe ho a, who be this one so? If I bol lara with you egbe o agbe o Atiti oge ore a. Who lori area? You know the boy. If you know the boy, give me picture. I beg, send the picture for me. I beg, if you know this guy picture, send the picture for me. Send the picture for me, I beg. I need the picture. Awa bidwe wa bera wa gbon usunwu. If a boy lara era gbe wa gbon, iwa here. Wa sunwu when no lot like webo. I beg, give me a picture, I beg. If you know a picture, send the picture for me for my direct number here.
You know, say all the children when you enter Europe yesterday.
Wa sunwu wa gbon.
They talk to person anyhow, you know.
If a boy lara bidwe gbe.
If I tell her when I enter Europe, you go no say I go feel born.
Rubbish. Omari bude no manu wa wanana wa do ate nonsense. I beg, if you get the picture, send the picture for me.
Leave her, bros, leave her.
Ugume mu where the problem e go kevo nuri ya yo gbo de ra ju ohun wa gbon igbe iwa kia.
Leave and make carry kayago. Make carry kayago.
Nonsense. Me dey live video, you dey come dey ask me whether me dey no dey how you take come here? I'm waiting make you. If you dey work, why you come my platform?
Because who dey work don't go dey here.
My brother, me you where they watch me, I no ask you whether you no go work there. You dey ask the host who dey work. If to say you get brave, why you no use your camera video come here as that my brother take come me just now?
Me I hear say you dey drive. You say if na driving work you dey do for Jim. Which one be say come dey ask you question?
Oh man, if I born lara vi yegbe wa gbon. Yegbe ma be work here. Bros, I beg, if you know that guy.
The place everybody dey pepper them for this online well.
Nah. Bros, I beg, if you get that guy picture, send the picture for me.
I don't get that.
My discipline.
That's I don't first see for one platform like that. That my Asian
brother. Well done, my brother. I greet you.
Just forget.
I don't leave him. Well done, my brother.
Make it not gonna change our topic.
You understand that topic they pay now, that advice they pay now.
You don't say me I tell you what is the pay now. Now that first one. Now demo. I bet they don't the hear word. I tell you say they don't the hear word, but they attack you for here.
I go give her to people wey pass her, his senior colleague wey pass her, they go beat her for the something wey dey. They go tell am say why you go dey talk to a pa Ajebor.
Na the senior colleague so na this junior colleague na they say come. They will come for attack you. Na the senior colleague wey you think say you know so. Na they say this one come. I bet they say na that first topic. Na the first one.
Baba, I bet tap me the name of that guy again. Which name the guy take there just now?
You see this guy. You get one guy that the type where they call Aleso. You will see beat whether they beat online. They don't enter it, but you Aleso.
That guy with Aleso with the France. And I matter they talk here, sis.
They don't enter it, but as I talk to you, so they don't enter it, but they don't hear what I tell you.
Oh my then. Somebody go they advise them, they go they call they talk nonsense. If you know say you get power, why you not use your video call take call as that my brother take call just now?
What thing that they do, it they affect us. They affect us. We will be say we not even do those things. It they affect us.
Austin where oh Robbie Ravi Jeve man, oh Bumi Hama Mori, the man more Bumi I don't want name or no Magbasting. I bet my brother, what if that name where the guy take come here again?
Na
truth. Truth what?
Truth something I don't can remember this. He write truth.
Okay, write truth. Okay. Audio yeah. Truth. Because I not just cram that name just now. Truth. Okay.
That thing where you dey talk. So for this country where me dey, they register Nigeria as bad people because of that thing. Where they talk.
Because of boys like this, now they make us not they get good name for this place. Rubbish boy.
Yes.
Dirty immigrant. I think we are down with women and agbe boy. No soon we we bona no jena. Uge mi abebo ya gbebo. No ugbeho mo ugbe we go ugbe we mi ya.
You know what they do to bros? You know what they do to? They will call
somebody don't write down here. They say truth is bitter is the name. Okay. Austin, truth is bitter. Truth is bitter. Truth is bitter. I go carry you, give you to your senior colleague when I did the organization. Here you see boa. No, they're not fit send and come my platform. They can't do it.
The guy use a fake account.
And somebody they comment here saying a fake account. Where's my sister?
I don't check her really.
Umeme awegega ame making a bob your one. Show your video.
At the power effect, you know what they do? If they toast you, you not really join them. They'll come they fight you. That's what they do. They'll come they fight you. They'll come they fight you.
Show your video where you dey, even though I spare you there. From here, put you for jail. Or Nigeria here, you dey with me. Show your video. Call for the video. Why you come out?
If they near me, they go hear way. If they near me,
Wabera wabi you are. You think say I be immigrant? We no get document. West the name we one. I will put you 20 years jail, 20-something years in jail. You will rot inside jail.
As far as you they work, many of them know they work.
Rubbish.
Many of them know they work. If you just carry your paper until they work, give it by the way, they go lock them up.
You don't go change my topic. Anyhow give a TikTok in anyhow we TikTok.
Topic where they go when they just nice. You just change that.
Yeah, get a wedding how we TikTok in ma oh. Yeah, wedding how we TikTok.
I tell you say that somebody.
My brother, if you get to work, call my Facebook. I did Facebook now. Can't use your video. Take call me here. Man, I know the country where you dey. If I don't put you for jail, woman a serve grand.
You know where Ajebor, you know where the son come? Blessing your platform don't they grow. They was scatter them. That's what they do.
Yeah.
You now go to fight. Then inside that fight where they fight, you go mention one word where you not supposed to mention. This time we don't be a country. You understand me now, bro?
I don't understand you.
So I think they tell us now, you go the curse now, go they use my bad word.
Hey.
You come up. Next day you say, no curse and leave for me they go.
Thank you, my brother, for giving me that advice. Thank you. Area you talking about. So you are allergic to a good preaching. And they tell you say no they fight for abroad, or if you they stay as you know they pay us rent. They pay your house rent if a boy fear kunle we wagmo. Usu wu wagmo dirty immigrants.
He get one guy. I put that for my house. One Igbo boy. This boy, we do. You know they pay us rent too. I could anytime we want pay us rent, one of your friends must come negotiate. They will come negotiate. That your friend will come use his money. They pay half of the money. Now so we do more than like 3 months. This boy don't pay us. But to that concern, you know the person why you call rent house. Kukuma Day Street. One day this boy say he want come out for us. Give me my key. This boy fight me. He can't give me wound. Mark for leg.
For motor there.
Yeah, he carried the key, come out. He don't reach another 3 years before I feel collect key for his hand.
Tell me what?
Nigeria. He said, now last week I feel collect key for his hand. Now some of my Asian brother will be say, he even see me for one Africa shop. He said, he go beat me. If me as of key, he go beat me after 4 years old.
Tell me what?
So, with Nigerian people, they have problem.
All this kind one now. Whether I don't know who it been and all this one and they give Nigerians here bad name. This truth or something waiting come here just now.
Me be Nigeria, I dey fear Nigeria. Me we be Nigeria, I dey fear Nigeria.
Uga bege bana aduro asoje eme no jebe webo.
No shit for Nash.
The way they talk a low, you see and say it's a dirty immigrant. You they ask somebody where don't reach the born you whether you not go work. We're not lotor, not one yoke wo. The soap will never bofia cool in wagmo. If you get pay, you know say you get level. Waiting you be. Use your video coming. If you don't spare you day, now from me I'll come meet you for spare. I make sure say I jail you. I go jail you. I me talking. Or if you date Jamie here, you they see me for party for Jamie every time. Talk to me for journey. Ugume mu elo lakpa no ari ega no sungu wagbon.
Bros, not they use that word. They will block your account. Not they use that word, that K-I-L-S.
Okay.
Not they use that. That's all that they do for here. Now that one, waiting that people won't do for you.
If you want my contact with you, I'm not supposed to have a block my account.
Exactly. Now somebody will know you well. I tell you now, I know at this point now, they will block at this point. Now jealousy. Does it say your account they grow, they'll come, they want not jealousy now.
So thank you, my brother. So my advice continue. If you know say you be Nigerians, they give you house here, please. They take care of the house where they give you here. So that at the end of your 5-7 years, you come out. They feel rent time for another black again. Because if they affect a lot of black here, where we say blacks were ready to stay for abroad. They go home money now with contract of work. They know they see house. They know they see house they rent because of what is some black they do. Some black go their house, they know they pay house rent regularly. Imagine you they save money here, they go they build your house for house. Take them if you build your house for Benin, you put 10 at that side, they know they pay for you. Will you be happy? It's a question. We need to ask ourselves all this question. So we should change from it. If you stay for any apartment for abroad, please take care of your apartment. Your house where you are living here has to be your number one home. Our house for Nigeria is our second home. If you never reach there, you know, call on your husband. This is where you are staying. They go break. Some men, or they fit carry mop, say they want mop their house. Like that kind of dirty immigrant where they there just now, where they ask me, chairman. Say, chairman, you know go, they walk.
Bro, not they use the word immigrant. Not they use that, man.
They'll still block the account. So you get a lot of waiting they know they talk for TikTok.
Yes, man.
My brother, even they block and make they block and my Facebook jare. My Facebook. I see that for my Facebook.
TikTok, TikTok that they pay. You know that stuff? If you feel monetized that they pay, that's why they misbehave. That means that they misbehave.
Okay. But may we they try, make we they neat our house where they rent for us. At the end of 5 years, any person come on so that the landlord, they fit get the glory, the Z to rent them out again to other foreigners. There are a lot of foreigners that they go to look for house. They know they see house, they rent. Not be say house, not just the house they. But these people will get house, then they select people where they give house to. You dey hear me now, my brother? Husband and wife or boyfriend and girlfriend go dey fight for house. They go dey scatter house. Wait, be say not be their home. It's not done. There is no way the landlord will come and will be happy with it. Or the agent who gave you that house.
Like country when me dey now. Now landlord, now they provide microwave, now they provide plate, now they provide spoon.
For mortar.
Now they provide knife. For here.
For mortar.
But house when me dey now me with my own money buy microwave. They buy everything. The chair where I tell you sit down, so now me buy.
Now you buy it, yes.
Television, now me buy it. Now me buy speaker. Now me buy this one. I know wait. Because why? I see say I will have long-term stay. Long-time stay here. So why will I be telling
the landlord
come buy this for me? I will call the stress.
Lovett, Obama, my dear.
You understand? So close. So, if money enter person hand, you go provide what you supposed to use.
Exactly.
For your own house.
Because now you they live for them, now you they stay there.
Why will I be giving someone in Nigeria money to live good while I'm living wretched here?
It's not done. It's not done, my brother. At all.
So,
it's not supposed to be like that.
Why will I be living here paying someone school fees in Nigeria while my children here does not have school fees to pay?
It's not done. It's not done. You are right, my brother. You are right.
So what I'm trying to say is that you first, you second, and you third. The one way you eat remain, you go share. You know? That is what I'm saying. If my brother, if I go buy good car, if you say that 45,000 euro, buy it.
You go drive. Yes.
I don't know. Not this life or another life, no day.
You are very, very right. Yes, that is truth.
Before you know that, person don't expire. Person go expire.
He said before you know somebody person go expire.
Yes, that person dey expire. Human being is expire. I see one time, I think last year, I see one Ghana guy. For England, they say for inside house. He buy now 45,000 a pass. That I see for inside room.
For motor.
You don't already buy ticket when want to go Africa.
Nigeria.
No, Ghana.
Okay, na Ghana person.
Ghana person for England. That last year, they say 45,000 pounds for inside room. That's this guy will die, so now mumu dead be this one. He not use the money. He's not supposed. He's not supposed to cry.
He dey live bad. Mumu dead. Yeah, mumu buy.
Mumu buy, next buy. Very big mumu buy. He not buy car. He not use better car. He not live for better house. If you see the house na one room where they live.
Imagine. But that kind of person, I go get many house for Benin or for Ghana or for Ghana. Go get many house for Ghana.
For Ghana, maybe you don't get 2 house for Ghana.
Just
they
imagine.
Na
mumukpa.
You know they respect yourself. You know they take care of your life. You go buy mumukpa for Europe. And if for house, when they go clap for you for, they go say sorrow. They go just shout for you for home. Sorrow. You don't go. After you follow water come. You can't see call you can't manage. Don't come bless you, can't work. You can't see go back.
Somebody say funny man. They say you did funny where. People they come and say funny. Na mumuk by my brother. Na mumuk by be that. Don't be like na mumuk by.
Well, let me say I'm mumuk by that. I cannot pay for what I have. Bro, may you listen and you feel bad for what you have.
My brother, God do. God forbid.
Say something wey dey under your possession. You can't go buy on top. And the thing wey we dey talk about so not get mad. You not get ear. You know the ear.
You know they talk.
Money not get ear.
You know they talk.
Money not get mad. Money not they talk. Now you put am there. Now you supposed to use that. You can't go buy on top of the thing.
It get as it be.
It get as it be.
It
You go tomorrow they go say na for home that they control am. Me I not see anybody where they control that person for home.
Now he do himself.
That is why I title am by nobody for home they control am.
Yes.
Now mumu might be.
A lot of people go there here. They go they live suffering here. But for Nigeria where they know they stay, now that place they go get everything there. for this place they go dey live suffering as that boy, that stupid boy wait do that nonsense just now. That one just dey jealous me o. He no know say I don first suffer before I dey position where I dey. So you wait that boy. God may let you see me one day. May you say your job by me say ask me a partner maybe that true enemy. If I no hold you, may police catch us. You know say I no be a partner. May I wife it.
Bro, no, come out here. Go to see Benin Isha.
No bedo you or wagmo. Upo di de bedena na ni kama we ikasu sene be webo. We know who are when now because you dey lie no. A boy ni only mu ebo gbe ni mu pepe. My brother, this course not be for you. That boy wey call 6 wey not show his face. Where they ask me whether I know they go work, in when I boy, in when I would you weapon. A weapon where toss a hejime, who toss a hejime, when I boy. A weapon I came a bad news, and I am get out of whoever. Here would you see when I manage moto boa, a G boy, you see when I don't can aje. Igaka boa jo wanaka boa de platform where. Wait, cause not be your own, wait. Inaka don't know where do you winner a bonus swagby. Benena raw very low hayas your table boya kebari, ulula okaya line to make we okaya fian. A fake a cat we are baby manu, a fake a cat in okaya line. Who are so who many tired okaya the original son. He bought your little over Ubebula platform in na. Imaka where the devil una do you know it in all bue. Many time when any war when okay away. Ya go you talk. Ke ba ya 6%. O accident of here. Okay, go.
You get one way to the prepare me for Bordeaux where I want talk.
Talk my brother.
Somebody go just go Africa shop. My bros, I not go lie you.
Where's the show?
You go to see Aproko.
I not go forgive him. Nobody go say my forgive him. Nobody go say my forgive him.
Bros. If you just go shop, go say tomatoes. Now they'll take cook egusi. Tomatoes. You know, let them buy better meat for Africa shop. Who for local? You never shop as way enter Europe. You go here they manage money. For your belly. Bro, your belly.
He gonna stab himself.
You gonna stab himself. You don't go job.
And which is very very bad. Okay. My guys, people watching, please.
You see after 15 years, you go see the carry wire yesterday pass. I could just look at. I said, you the grace.
We have one life to live, just one life, no number two. If you have this opportunity, celebrate your life. One life to live. Celebrate your life. If you have this opportunity, celebrate your life. Where you they stay, so this abroad, enjoy here. Now the money where you remain here. Now you go to say you want to go to do what you want to do for Africa. Not be say you they stab yourself here and you they build that many hours for Africa. The day where you go by, it's over. You just suffer for nothing's sake.
My brother,
Namumuk by be that.
If you not jump for body, I don't mean according to that Benin minister, I don't mean
Thank you, my brother. I really appreciate you for joining the program. Okay. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Sherry, where's again? No give it Facebook. God bless you, brother. Thank you. That guy really make me vex. I go try my looking name, but those say they say I fake account.
Not too mad the guy.
They say I fake account. To say I get a picture show for a passport, a profile. Not those soon who bomb. The man.
I believe say you go see the listen to us.
So. They hear me now.
Just leave me. They carry wahala.
Small rats. We're not like Weibo. No my 10, 12 years. Why don't not grip 25 years, 26 years? We're Weibo. Don't imagine winner. Iba bola we wagmo. Then year them more. Oma not 26 years we Weibo. Oma send no yari locate yari Nigeria ya tuta. No so we the neverowa. Nasi neti bue. Ni pepenesi odo ini bue. no wuye to le hui ori okani truthful enemy no fia wu we weapon na ure na uge erage mi oya hi o ejuege mi oya hi o no gbe o wa gbon babo fie ku le lu e if
bros to may you wait bro to go sit down for the Nigeria self na even good na
oh my now
what did they happen for the Nigeria that you like am you know the people from Benin
eh you call somebody platform come dey ask big person say you no go work may accident kill you for your working place
na crazy what that is say as person don take for Europe we like am
rubbish
nobody like am we still want to go home go stay but Nigeria no good again
I dey do my thing see I no curse you I no curse anybody you come dey ask me that why you no use your video take call make I use you show example
that is say we say we just stay for Europe we dey happy we no dey happy Nigeria no good we supposed to by now we supposed to dey home dey Nigeria
yeah thank you now. I dey do my thing dey go
Nigeria no good
na my thing I dey do here you no know whether I go work in the night you no know whether I don go work come and you wey come my platform why you come here if you dey work the thing dey pay me say this boy no use video call I no see face dey pay me because me need to me wan put somebody for police problem I dey look for person wey I wan put for police problem we go dey drag ourselves dey go your paper go your document go first get problem I go put your document for problem your document go get problem if you enter you no come out again
not be small thing though
you are lucky you didn't come on a video call you are lucky come on a video call any day or as I did Jeremy tell me say na Jeremy dey see me for anywhere may say Ajebor na me talk to you that day
Mr. Ajebor just leave am alone
the thing dey pay me brother
I know
how many years they take the pension for abroad you know it's about 32 years I don spend 26 years for abroad you never reach where I take go Nigeria if not because say Nigeria not good
I have been working now for more than 20 years I've been working I never stopped
rubbish
so by now I'm supposed to be in Nigeria relaxing
God bless you that's it brother that is it
but still the country not good
the country not good
small children for a year come dey follow small children for a year come sit dey Europe with them that when I no go see person finish
your person platform
if the country good we will go back
come person platform they ask the person say you know they work you don't know whether I don't go night work come you don't know whether I go work in the evening and you when they ask me question I never spent 10 years here you are just an animal just animal your voice shows say you be animal
to say the truth if say Nigeria could that guy for not meet person for Europe if for not meet us for here truth be told
he said na only my wife dey work no one go come talk well I want to talk better to be you why you not get wife where they work my brother if you not my brother if na Jeremy dey abeg try make you remind me one day you say Ajebor na me one day if I no do anything by anything take make sure give you problem for year you know say I no be Ajebor Alameya OFA I dey look for person where I want give police problem to we go dey go court I need person like that because some of una one must use as an example so that if you see wetin kpai your document you no come your dey street you no get paper again you dey respect individual wey no talk to you first someone need to use as an example
all those small boys wey dey call Europe this day
rubbish
respect elders not good dey respect elders
just imagine my brother I no talk to you come my platform call dey ask me you know dey work
you not come meet you for us and you come meet am for a platform
you wey ask me that question if you dey work why you go enter my platform
respect us even Bible talk am say respect the elder so that your day may be long
that boy I don curse am this morning that boy yẹn gbé 5 years ìwé bona ọmọ ajé ń àwẹ̀ ìwé bona yẹn deport yẹn ìyẹn máa deport yẹn accident ọ̀hún àgbẹ̀.
ìfẹ́ dà kọ́sù ìdè rich.
accident ọ̀hún àgbẹ̀ mọ́tà and as I dey lay that curse on that boy You know, you dey see my face, and I may not see your face. If you see me for Germany, now Germany, remind me say na you. And I'm going to measure how I'll do you worst.
If I just use your church mind to forgive him, you forgive him.
Thank you, my brother. Of course, not be your own. Thank you, my dearest brother. I will leave the program now because I want to go somewhere.
What do they talk for you? Not to uplift souls. Not to uplift souls. Me, I see the topic. I was very moved. I said,
that is what you said when you enter the show. You said this topic you like and where.
Yes. I said let me support my brother to uplift soul. You know, we are trying to elevate souls. We are trying to help souls to have life. He just start talking blah, but it doesn't make sense, eh?
Huh?
Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make just that what people do be say just try to forgive him.
No problem, my brother. But that one you go get how that matter go be. If I finish this show, that name wait right, they say I fake account. I go lay cost of that fake account. As far as I bear the fake account. Because the thing just they boy me here. He's lucky that this show is picture.
I know, bro.
Thank you, my dearest brother. May I leave the program now? Thank you, because I need to cash appointment as well. God bless you, brother. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. So, guys for Facebook, una do well. Hey, thank you, brother. Guys for Facebook, thank you very much for your time you took to join this program. Brother, I think you feel come out yourself that side, Abi?
Yes. Okay.
I need to go school of this TikTok. They say that they go school. So thank you very much on Facebook, okay? I don't call let una know say our brother Alex HQ don't denounce. He say no they talk about matter we concern all those our big brother again in the rest. So all these our big brother I beg make una still give a less peace